When your child brings their school laptop home for the first time, you will need to connect the device to your home Wi-Fi or wireless internet. To do this, first turn on the laptop. Your child will log in with their school username and password. Once the device is at the login screen, press the spacebar. You will see an important screen. By clicking OK, your child is agreeing to the Dubuque Schools Responsible Use of Technology rules. This means your child agrees to use the laptop for school purposes only and to use the device appropriately. Press the spacebar again to get to the login screen. Once there, your child can either type their username and password with the keyboard or use the touch screen. To use the touch screen, just click in the username box with your finger. A keyboard will appear on the screen, and your child can use it to complete their username. Then, click into the password box to enter the password. Encourage your child to never share their username and password with anyone except trusted adults like parents and teachers. Then, find the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of the laptop. Click on Wi-Fi. Find your network on the right side and click it. You will then have to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you do this, the laptop automatically connects to your home network every time your child brings the device home. When the laptop gets out of range from your home network, it will automatically disconnect. And when it's returned to school, it will automatically reconnect to the school's network. If you change your home internet or your password, you will have to repeat these steps. Once logged in, your child can select what they want to do. To get on the internet, just choose a browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Your child's school website will open. If it doesn't, simply type in www.thename-of-your-school.dbqschools.org. Then, go to Students and find links to other websites, Office 365, Library Online Search, Clever Portal, and more. To use Clever, click on the Clever portal. There are two ways to log into Clever. Your child can type their username and password, or they can use a Clever badge. To log in with the Clever badge, click on Clever Badge Login. A little box may pop up saying, Clever wants to use your camera. If so, click Allow. Then, your child holds their Clever badge QR code in front of the camera. They'll see a green check mark. Now your child is logged into Clever. From here, your child can use Lexia, STMath, Macinvia, Seesaw, and more. When finished working, your child should log out of Clever by clicking on their name in the top right corner and then clicking Log Out. Go to the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and click on the gray circle, and then click Sign Out. And don't forget to plug your laptop back in to charge. It's a good idea to close the lid while the laptop is charging. A good time to charge the laptop is at night, so it's ready to use the next day. The laptop also comes with a special bag for your child to carry on their way home or back to school. Your child's school laptop is just another tool to help them in school, whether at school or at home. If your child has any problems with it, be sure to let your teacher know as soon as possible.